Hey there, CreativeSarah here, and I have a really cool project for you using our hoop wreath. I think you guys are going to love this. Oh yes, I've got all those rag ribbons. So what I did was I ripped some rag ribbons, a whole slew of them, and I just started tying them all around the hoop wreath. Now, these are navy blue. It's basically red, white, and blue because I'm going to make a patriotic hoop wreath. So I spent time just tying. I literally just did one little tie on each one. I couldn't do double knots. That was going to just take forever. If you want to see the project supplies for this project, go ahead and comment the word freedom, FREEDOM, and I will send you the link. I'll send you a little message with the link so that you can grab these supplies. Now, I am doing a lot more than just tying the rag, so stay tuned, okay? So I'm just going to finish tying up these all around the whole thing. I would say I had 7 different designs of ribbon, and I probably had about 10 to 12 of each design. I did end up with a few left over, so that will help you, and they're about an inch wide. Okay, so now we're going to take the board part. I'm only using the middle section, and I'm going to use our firework transfer here. It's called Firework Show, and I'm going to use the word freedom. I have the colors that I'm going to use are cadet, bright white, and then our shimmer crimson. So I'm just going to fuzz these transfers really well before I place them down onto the wood. And once I place it down, I'm just going to cover that with our cadet chalk. If you want to learn how to save 30% on every single order of your Chalk Couture items, comment the word perks, PERKS. When you do that, I'll send you a message with a link where you can learn all about the program, but also where you can sign up to save your 30%. Okay, so I am just going to chalk these fireworks all around the outer side of this board. I'm doing white first, and then I will add some of the other colors in as well. We're going to go ahead and do some shimmer crimson with a different design of a firework. Here that comes. There we go. Yeah, I'm just kind of layering it on there. So I just fuzzed them, and it seems to be working really well. I didn't have to do any waxing or anything like that over the freedom. I just kind of fuzzed really well. Okay, so we'll get one more of these red ones, and then we'll switch on and do that really tiny little firework because that will be fun too. If you're new and you want to go ahead and comment the word VIP, I'll send you a link. I'll send you a message with a link to join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information right inside that Facebook group. Okay, so this is our last little bit here. We're doing the shimmer crimson again, and then we will dry it and we'll put it all together. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is going to turn out so cute. I know exactly where I'm putting this in my house. I cannot wait to get my display up. Where would you guys where would you put this? I'm going to put it on my pantry door. Oh, you guys, it's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and follow for more decor.